Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by particular